Dropping your iPhone in water is a depressing experience. When that happens, you should keep calm and take some effective measures to avoid further loss. Below are the do's and don'ts for water-damaged iPhone. Part 1. What to do. 1. Switch it off immediately. After getting your iPhone out of water, turn it off entirely as soon as possible. Do not turn it back on or plug it into power. Otherwise, your iPhone may suffer permanent water damage. 2. Dry your iPhone. Remove any accessories from your iPhone, including your case or the screen protector. Then, use a lint-free cloth or t-shirt to rub the water on the outside of your iPhone. Shake your iPhone gently to clear the water in the sockets and ports. 3. Remove the SIM card. As soon as the outside of iPhone is dry, eject the SIM tray of your device and remove the SIM card, then dry the SIM card off carefully. Also, leave the SIM tray out of your device. 4. Wait for your iPhone to dry. Place your iPhone in a dry, open, and well-ventilated space and leave it for at least 48 hours. To speed up the process, you can place some silica gel packs around your iPhone. Part 2. What to avoid doing. 1. Do not press any buttons on wet iPhone. Pressing the buttons may push the water further inside. 2. Do not turn on your iPhone. This will cause a short circuit on your iPhone. Wait patiently till your iPhone is completely dry. 3. Do not use any drying tools to dry your iPhone. Drying your iPhone with a hairdryer or radiator could cause additional damage to your iPhone. 4. Do not stick your iPhone in raw rice. Placing the wet iPhone in raw rice to absorb water is not a workable solution. The particles of rice will cause more harm to your iPhone. If you want, you can use silica gel packs instead.